This is a Telwin T Charge 12 Evo motorcycle and car battery charger. Now you can see at the moment this is connected to my GSX-S 750. You can see it's got a full battery because the battery is fully charged. It's okay, tests have run, it thinks the battery's fine. It's flashing 8, which means it's in the maintenance cycle, which just simply runs a cycle of charge and rest that keeps battery at its best performance, just like most other maintenance chargers. It's also 12 volts, we're in a 12 volt mode, and this motorcycle means it's the motorcycle mode, which means it's putting out 1 amp. So typically a motorcycle specific charger will put out anywhere between maybe 700 milliamps and an amp. This is putting out an amp, but if we go through the modes here, there's just this one button. Then you can see it's car mode. Now that'd be putting out 4 amps, so it will charge a larger capacity battery a lot faster. Then you can go through the different chemistries. So there's gel batteries, bike and car, AGM, bike and car, AGM plus, bike and car, EFB. We've also got lithium. Now that's unusual that there's a lithium mode. This battery charger can charge lithium batteries, and a key thing to note with a typical recovery capable charger is the desulfation mode, which can put out very high voltages in spikes. That's fine on a lead acid battery, but it's really not good for a lithium one. But this one has got programs for lithium, which is excellent additional feature. The cold weather mode is for when the batteries are used in very cold temperatures, and that's for bike and car. Then we go through to test, which I'll come back to. Then we've got 6 volt. The little warning triangle is flashing there because it knows it's a 12 volt battery, so it won't try and charge it. Equally, if this was a 6 volt battery and I put it in 12 volt, it would flash the warning saying, no, I'm not charging that. So again, you've got the different modes. So that's just a simple test of the battery. You can see the battery is at full capacity. But if I go into this mode, this will check the cranking capacity of the battery. So this will show how much charge it can hold. So if I start the bike up, and you can see there that it's come up okay, and that means the battery voltage didn't drop significantly as the bike started, which is great. That means plenty of capacity in the battery's fine. Now if we go again, now we're looking at the alternator test. So you can see that's just flickering, which is what I'd expect. That's showing that the voltage going into the battery from the alternator, which should be around 14 to 14.5 volts, is okay. So just turn the bike off. So it's really great features to have on here. Just one thing to note, you can't actually test a battery unless you've got this device plugged into the mains. So you can't take it around with you and test something that you're looking at buying. But as a garage workshop charger, it's incredibly versatile, really good that you can charge pretty well any battery that you'll find on a bike or car. So great bit of kit, read the full review, and there's also an explanation of what those different chemistries in the batteries mean.